Today we will be going over a functional test of an STI PA4600 perimeter access unit. This style light curtain is unique in the fact that it does not have LEDs that go across the entire bar. Rather, we have two individual sensors that send and receive signals. So we will go ahead and show you the broken part, which we have replaced, among other repairs on this unit. And we should have an active light here, saying that the sensor should be outputting. Now, we will go ahead and check that through a special camera. As you can see from the little blue light that the diode is outputting. We will check it here as well. And yes, we do have output. Next, we are going to see if the send and receive is functional on these units. So if it is functional on the display here, we should get a response when we interfere between these 2 points. And as you can see, we are getting the response that we wanted. And we are doing the other side as well. Thank you for watching.